Disclaimer, this is a work of fiction. Please don't be an idiot and play these stones in the air. Doing so will get you banned, or get in prison for 5 years for causing massive panic and confusion. Anyways, grab a slice of pizza and enjoy. The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. Dandy and his friends are coming back from Charlotte after saving us 30 years ago in 1997. Stay tuned for the return.
The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. Cat entity has returned after 30 years. Lock all doors and windows, close blinds, cover cracks with duct tape or damp towels to prevent any break-ins from cat entity. He is also more stronger, but they'll need backup from Kameron, who can stop cat entity. Dandy and his friends are now working out more. A battle is expected within a 300-mile radius, but no fight start and end date was given. But until then, stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. Cat entity has given a start and end date of a battle. It will start on May 28, 2027 and end on June 13, 2027. The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. 1 week left until battle. The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. 6 days left until battle. The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. 4 days left until battle.
Guys, I have a plan to take down Cat Entity. And we're gonna need Dandy and his friends since they finished working out. Okay, so, yeah. Oh, wait, is that the ones? Yep. Yeah. But we have 40 left until big battle starts. Yeah, I guess further updates will come within 2 days, according to National Weather Service. Oh, from the NOAA Weather Radio website? Yes, Miles. Oh, sorry. Now you're good. I got a little mad and exhausted because of this dangerous situation. So that's why I want Miles. Whatever. Anyways, further updates will come within 2 days. Okay, whatever.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. The fight will now start. Fight now. Fight now. Fight now. All clear. Repeating. All clear. Cat entity has been defeated. Kameron, Dandy and his friends successively won. You may exit out of your shelters. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for watching this video, but there's a catch. The battle ended. Tomorrow is going to be chaotic, so click on the video now, or you can watch the full completed Season 3. Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on August 1st, 2026 with Season 4 Episode 2.